Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel! So for today, this is gabi na guys, so hindi na today. For tonight, we're just going to watch Cocomelon with my baby. Yan, my baby. We're watching Cocomelon and my sister is over there. So, magpapatay na. Tingnan nyo naman ako. Nanonood lang tayo na Cocomelon. Guys, by the way, I have Patreon. If you guys interested, please do avail my membership on my Patreon. I'm going to put the link on the comment section. Kiss mama. Kiss mo na mama. O, dali. Kiss mama, be. Paano kiss mama? Kiss mama. Nag-swim sila. Yes! Nakain na! Pakuha mo dito yung kanin! Bikon mo na yung kanin, bish. Wala na na. Nakain na kami guys, kaya papatayin na namin yung Cocomelon. We're going to eat. O, patayin na, patay. Nasaan yung remote? Kung may remote. Saan remote? That's all for today's video. See you again to my next video. Don't forget to avail my membership. Okay, avail. Bye!